Divisibility. Prime factorization. Prime factorization, greatest common divisor, that is GCD, lowest common multiple. The prime factor method of finding the GCD or HCF and prime factorization. Composite factors can be broken up into their factors. So if factors are all prime, it is prime factorization. Prime factorization method. Let us find prime factors of 32. First, write 32 as product of smallest prime number 2 and other number 16. So 16 is composite. Now write 16 as product of smallest prime number 2 and other number 8. 8 is composite. Write 8 as product of smallest prime number 2 and other number 4. Again 4 is composite. Write 4 as product of smallest prime number 2 and other number 2. Stop now as the last row has only prime numbers. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 32. Yes, that's right. Division method of prime factorization. We have 36 to find prime factorization. The first step is 36 is divisible by 2. 18 is divisible by 2. 9 is divisible by 3. Here we get quotient 3. Now stop here as we get prime quotient. The prime factorization of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Greatest common divisor, that is GCD, or highest common factor, that is HCF. 12. We have the factors of 12 are 1 is first factor, 12 is other factor. 2 is second factor and 6 is another factor. 3 is third factor and 4 is another factor. 4 is fourth factor. Oh, the factors is repeating. So we should stop here. Therefore, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now 18. We have the factors of 18 and they are 1 is first factor and 18 is other factor. 2 is second factor, 9 is another factor. 3 is third factor and 6 is another factor. Here we should stop as factors will repeat. Therefore, factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Let us try to find out common factors of 12 and 18. 1, 2, 3, 6. These are common factors of 12 and 18. The highest common factor is the greatest one among all common factors. The highest common factor from these factors is 6. Highest common factor is also called the greatest common divisor, that is GCD. The HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divides both numbers without leaving any remainder. The prime factor method of finding the GCD or HCF. Now find HCF of 24 and 32. Prime factorization of 24 is, prime factorization of 32 is, common factors of 24 and 32 are. Therefore, the highest common factor of 24 and 32 are. Now, lowest common multiple. Look at this. This is like a number line. These are multiples of 2. These are multiples of 3. The places where both flies and spider jump are the common multiples of 2 and 3. The first place where both flies and spider jump is the lowest common multiple. The LCM of 2 or more number is the smallest number and that can be divided by those numbers without leaving a remainder. The prime factor method of finding LCM. Now find LCM of 20 and 16. Prime factors of 20 are. Prime factors of 16 are. Now these are common factors, so you should write here. And these are not common factors. Write here and multiply all. Now we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. That comes 80. So the LCM of 20 and 16 is 80. Summary. Composite factors can be broken up into their factors. If factors are all prime, it is prime factorization. The HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divides both numbers without leaving any remainder. The LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number that can be divided by those numbers without leaving a remainder. So that is all in this lesson, student. Keep learning.